Hello friends, this is Parsh Gupta. So today we are going to continue our logo which I left in my previous part. So today we are going to continue it. So let's begin. Radu, radu, radu. Oh, yeah. Sorry, right done. So now I'll add a icon like. Then I'll type la or this one. Oh, it's too big. Boom, boom. Change the color. What color should I do? Tell me, tell me, tell me. This, this, this. Black. Black is looking good on it. Black, black. Okay. So now I'll add text. No, not this one. I want to add your text on my own text. I will type please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now I'll click on done. Here is the text. I will do it to fit it here. Yeah. Now the color. The color should be in which color? Which color? More. No. Custom. Orange. We can also do orange. Orange will look bright on it. Okay, so here is this. Find a new style. Yeah, you can do find a new style. You can do shape, you can do shadow, you can do outline. Here is this like this accuracy, or you can say it anything. I don't know the name. If I do it 0 or 5%, it is 5%. It will show like this, and I do it 100%. It will show us like this. This aligns. And this is curved, graded, magical alignments. This is spacing, so I want to find a new style. No. No, that one was good. Yeah, this one is good. So I'll now add a icon, and that is share. Because it is here written, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. So I will add icon share. This one. Very big. And I'll do it green. And I'll now write under it share. Share. So click on done. Here is your share. I want to do it in another color and font. Okay, let's do the color green only. Share is also green here. And font, I'll do this. Yeah, this. So my logo is my logo is ready. So this is my logo. If you want to download it, you can download it also. Here are some examples I'm saying. Here the definition. Best for graphics and higher quality, JPG. That was PNG. This is JPG, best for photos, smaller file size, best for printing and highest quality. So I'll do it JPG. So start download. Yeah, here is it. It is downloaded. It is in my file explorer. So I'll stop sharing or I will. So friends, please like, share and subscribe my video. And till my next video, bye bye. And say and please comment in the comment box that how do you like it. And if any doubt, you can also write in the comment box. I will check it and reply. So till my next video, bye bye.